Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find out who took a screenshot of your story in the Snapchat app. Don't forget to put likes, subscribe to our channel, write comments, and let us get started with you. So, for this, we open the Snapchat app. Next, in the top left corner, we click on our profile picture, and we go to our Snapchat profile. Here we're going to scroll around a little bit until we see the My Stories section. And in order to go to your story and see who saw and who took a screenshot of the story, we have to click right here where it says My Story, next to the image. And as you can see, we get the same image. And we click at the bottom. And we get our story. So in order to see who and how many people screenshot your story, we need to look at the bottom of the screen. Here we can see who viewed the story and who took the screenshot. So if we click on the second sign, we'll see a window like this here. And you'll see a list of people here who may have taken a screenshot of your story. I don't have that list because I just posted this story 5 minutes ago and haven't gotten a screenshot of the story yet. But if you've had more time, I think if you open this window, you'll already have a list of people. So that's how easy it is to see who has screenshot your story, and in general, who has viewed it in the Snapchat app. I hope this video was helpful to you. Be sure to leave your likes, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you later.